In this video, we are going to determine whether the following series converges or diverges. Here we have the sum from n equals 1 to infinity of n over ln of n. So we are going to use the nth term test. So let's recall what that tells us. So suppose we have a series, let's say we have the sum from n equals 1 to infinity of some an. The nth term test tells us that if the limit as n approaches infinity of an is not equal to 0, then the series diverges. So essentially all we have to do is look at the limit as n approaches infinity of n over ln of n and check if it's 0 or not. If it is not 0, then this test is inconclusive. This series may diverge or it may converge. So let's see. We want to see what the limit as n approaches infinity of n over ln of n is. Now, as n approaches infinity, the numerator is approaching infinity, and so is the denominator. So since we have infinity over infinity, we can use L'Hopital's rule, which tells us that this limit is equal to the limit of the derivative of the numerator over the derivative of the denominator. So the derivative of n is just 1, and the derivative of ln of n is just 1 over n. So this is the limit as n approaches infinity of 1 times n over 1. So this is just the limit as n approaches infinity of n, which is equal to infinity, which is certainly not 0. So by the nth term test, the series diverges. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe.